Ishika Verma and I have done my bachelor's from ESEDS School of Design. Ever since I was a little girl, I have always been intrigued and fascinated by transforming a blank space, an existential space, into something welcoming, warm, and inviting. And I think from that I have discovered my passion and interest in interior designing. Even when my father used to take me to restaurants and places like that, I and my father would be the only one appreciating the ambience and noticing the small details of it. Instead, everyone used to appreciate the food. And I've also found myself taking pictures of smallest details when I used to go to a place, or appreciating the new features or the functionality of a space. So I guess this is where I derived my interest for interior designing. So when I got into the college, when it's been our semester and our course started, it was very difficult for me in the beginning, because transforming from an academic oriented background, I have done my commerce, and transforming it into a very practical oriented stream, it was very difficult. But the faculty members and my friends have been very helpful in this.